Hi guys, Robert here with Wonder Off-Road, and today we're at the Oceano Dunes State Vehicle Recreation Area with Life and Adventure, and we're hosting a beach campout. But before we get into today's video, do you guys know that 91% of you guys are not subscribed and are missing out on the adventure? So please guys, hit that subscribe button right there. All right, so you guys can stay up to date and follow us for more adventures in the future. Without further ado, let's get into it.
Early Friday morning, our journey began as we met up with friends for an adventure to the Oceano Dunes. The scenic drive along the coast on the 101 freeway set the stage for a day full of excitement. Finally, we reached our destination and reunited with the rest of our group.
Roger that. Do you have her phone number by chance?
No, but on Messenger I should check in a bit, but we should run into her somewhere.
Also, if you do plan on camping at the beach, they do recommend that you use the Pier Street entrance to check in for your campsite. After airing down our tires, it was time to navigate our way down the sandy shoreline in search of the perfect camp spot. Beach driving is one of the most serene types of driving there is out there. Yes, you could drive on the desert and drive in the mountains and see great topography, but there's something nice about seeing the vast ocean in front of you and some dunes to the side of you. And it's not a true beach trip unless someone gets stuck. Thank God this was our only time one of our vehicles got stuck on this trip, but we bound together and with some teamwork, we pulled them out and we're on our way in no time. We pushed through, and once we found our spot, setting up camp was a breeze. The next morning, excitement filled the air as we enjoyed a hearty breakfast and witnessed the mesmerizing solar eclipse that brilliantly shaded the area. Next challenge, an adrenaline-packed off-roading experience. The Oceano Dunes are famous for their challenging terrain, and we more than were ready to conquer it. But we set off down the beach towards the dune entrance. Along the way, we spotted numerous remarkable vehicles, including the iconic Ricky Bobby race car. The Oceano Dunes have a rich history. Once inhabited by the local Chumash Indians, evidence of their presence can be found in the middens, ancient trash dumps filled with clams, shellfish shells, are a reminder of the civilization's trash becoming another's treasure. Following the Europeans' arrival, Pismo, as it was called back then, became a beloved playground for the California's new residents. Its flat and firm sands provided the perfect backdrop for a family outing, unlike most other beaches that were too soft and steep for wheeled vehicles. Our adventure at the Oceano Dunes was nothing short of incredible. From off-roading to camping, and even celebrating Halloween.
Happy Halloween!
Now it's a tradition when we go wheeling with Wonder Off-Road, we usually host a potluck with them. It really is fun to see everyone come together and bring some flavor from home. And we had some great flavors tonight. And most importantly, the kids got to have themselves a little Halloween dress-up party.
Another epic trip has so far been going so far a success, and everyone's enjoying the best part about any trip that we do, potluck.
There's nothing better when a group of friends come together, run a campfire, and tell some good stories, and reminisce about the day's events, and also past events that we have done together. This is the best part I love about camping. Just everyone coming together and having fun. At Wonder Off-Road, we're always on the lookout for the next thrilling adventure. Stay tuned for more content, and always keep exploring.
I want to thank you guys for watching this far. If you love the Oceano Dunes like I do and want to see them kept open for future generations, then check out Friends of the Oceano Dunes. Their mission is to unite many people who enjoy the Oceano Dunes in a cohesive organization that can promote and reinforce responsible recreation. This will be accomplished by developing a large network of friends and collecting donations to accomplish our objective. They will support all forms of responsible recreation to ensure the continued access of the Oceano Dunes State Vehicle Recreation Area. There will be a link in the description to help support them. Also, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's help this channel grow. All right, guys, we'll catch you guys next time.